Hi friends, for our math journal activity today, you're going to need your math journal, your turtle page, a pencil, a glue stick, a green crayon, and your scissors. Okay, the directions say, I can cut and color. Cut out 4 turtles and color them in green. So let's read that again. I can cut and color. Cut out 4 turtles and color them in green. So I'm going to pick up my scissors. Friends, remember we put our thumb at the top, and then the rest of our fingers go at the bottom, and our pointer finger we're going to use as a guide. So I'm going to cut out the directions first. Remember, we cut out our directions so we know what we are supposed to do. Remember, I'm cutting on the dotted lines, and I'm taking my time, holding my scissors the right way. So I have my directions cut out, and then I'm going to cut out my 4 turtles. Okay. Remember, cutting around the dotted lines and cut out each of your turtles nicely. Cutting is such a good kindergarten skill. Okay, so I have 1 turtle, 2. I'm cutting out my 3rd turtle, number 3. And number 4. And then remember, I always put my scraps off to the side so that I can throw them away. Okay, so now we have our 4 turtles and our directions cut out. So I'm going to move this to the side. I'm going to open my math journal. I'm turning past our apple, past our 1 poem, our 2 yellow pencils, our 2 poem, our 3 blue books, and our 3 poems. So now I'm on my next blank page. And I'm going to open my glue stick. And remember, friends, we just put our glue stick up a little bit, and I'm going to glue in our directions. Remember, just a dot, not a lot. And then I'm going to push in my directions, push those down, okay? And now I'm going to glue in my 4 turtles. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, friends, now I'm going to go back to my directions again. Cut out 4 turtles and color them in green. So now I need to color my turtles in green. Remember, we're going to use our very best kindergarten coloring. Okay, and the green song. I'm going to try to do my very best with the green song because this is the new one that I'm learning. Are you ready? G-R-E-E-N, G-R-E-E-N. Caterpillars are green, grasshoppers are too. G-R-E-E-N, G-R-E-E-N. I can spell green, G-R-E-E-N. Now, remember, friends, I'm doing my best because that's a new song that I'm learning. Okay, I'm going to try again. Ready? G-R-E-E-N, G-R-E-E-N. Caterpillars are green, grasshoppers are too. G-R-E-E-N, G-R-E-E-N. I can spell green, G-R-E-E-N. All right, so I'm going to finish coloring in my turtles green. And I'm staying in the lines. Okay, so now I have my 4 green turtles, and just like we always do, now I'm going to write the number 4. So I'm going to go, uh-oh, that pencil was a little broken. Down, across, down some more. That's how you make the number 4. And I'm switching my pencil out because the tip on that one's broken. And now I'm going to write the number word 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Okay, friends, so again, cut out 4 turtles and color them in green. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I colored my turtles in green. Now you go ahead and do your math journal.